Standard makes products that help your customers maintain their independence and mobility. With that being said, there are three great reasons why you should want to sell Standard products. The first is our kick butt guarantee, and there's actually two parts to this. The lifetime guarantee means that if any product breaks for any reason, the customer can return that product to you. Then you call us and we'll send out a replacement to you absolutely free of charge. This means when a customer buys the Easy Fold and Go walker, for example, you can tell that customer that this is the last walker that you will ever have to buy. The second part of this guarantee is our sell-through guarantee. This provides you with zero risk on bringing any Standard product into your stores. If the product doesn't sell for any reason, we'll buy it back from you, no questions asked. The second reason to buy Standard products is our innovation. At Standard, you will never find a hospital gray or chrome product. Our products are designed to provide the ultimate comfort by both looking good and being functional in their home. All of Standard products are designed with that innovation and independence in mind. A walker is a person's best companion, keeping you walking and preventing falls. And that walker is an extension of you, and so it should complement your style. No one looks forward to using a walker, so education and enthusiasm are essential. The Easy Fold and Go walker has some unique features that make it the world's most portable walker. The product can support up to 400 pounds while only weighing 7 pounds, and making it a walker that is the best fit for anyone in need of a walker. It's equipped with ski glides in the back and 6-inch premium swivel wheels in the front, making the walker very smooth and easy to maneuver. A carrying pouch is also included that straps along the front of the walker, making it a convenient place for a water bottle, book, or other items that the customer just won't have their hands free to carry. The best part about the walker is how small the walker can fold up. And many of the other walkers on the market are big and bulky. So for the customer that wishes to travel, retain their independence, or age in their home, the Easy Fold and Go walker is the only option for them. And this folds up into a 6-inch by 6-inch rectangle and can be stored in the passenger seat or behind the driver's seat of almost any car. The walker also can fit in the overhead compartment of an airplane. And the vast number of places where the Easy Fold and Go walker can go helps ensure that the customer will actually use the product. Many customers feel like their other walkers are too bulky, and this usually results in them not using the product because it can't fit into a car or travel with them. So the best way to sell the Easy Fold and Go walker is to highlight the benefits that I just mentioned and to make sure that your entire staff is educated on the walker so they feel comfortable recommending it to their customers. Another great way to sell any of Standard's innovative products is to display the products. The more a customer can touch and feel it, the more they will visualize the product in use and really appreciate the value that they're getting. And this has been a proven way of increasing sales with all of Standard's products. The next tip on how to sell the Easy Fold and Go walker is to creatively highlight how the walker folds compactly. One store actually created a banner that said, "Ask about the walker that fits in this box." Then place the banner and a walker box in his storefront window. And this customer sold more walkers than most of our other stores that carry it. And customers would come into his store and say there is no way that a walker can fit in that box. And he would show them and they'd buy the product. It's that simple. And that's just one great example of a creative marketing promotion. So try to be unique with your approach in selling this truly innovative product.